Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Our today's topic is we learn how to add and subtract terms. The very important key rule here is we can only add or subtract terms if they are like. Like means same variables raised to the same exponents. If you have any doubt, you can watch my video that has already been shared about like and unlike terms. I will attach the link here. Let's take a look at this question where I have n, and when coefficient is not written in front of the variable, it means 1n. And another like term that I will bring close to this is 9n. Because n is raised to the power of 1, here also n is raised to the power of 1. Same variables, the same exponents. Now minus 10 minus 3. 1n plus 9n will give us 10n. Minus 10 minus 3. When two negatives are brought together, it ends up adding. So minus 10 minus 3, both of them are negative. So we will add them. 10 plus 3 is 13. Whether I should write a positive 13 or a negative 13, this is very important here. So what do we do here? We look at the greater number. Is 10 greater or 3 greater? We all know that 10 is a greater number here. Look at the sign of the greater number. What sign is this? Negative. Hence, my answer will carry a negative sign. So the answer here would be 10n minus 13. I added or subtracted, depending upon the question, the like terms here. Let's take a look at another question. A plus 4 minus 9 minus 5a. Once again, let's bring the like terms together. A minus 5a. Again, a in front has no coefficient. I can write 1a. If you want, you don't have to write it. It is just to avoid any confusion. Plus 4 minus 9. Look carefully here. Plus 1a minus 5a. Once again, the rule of integers is say positive, negative. This is a positive. When no sign is written, it means positive, positive and negative. When positive and negative, they come together, it always ends up into negative. Whenever the signs are different, the answer is always negative. Positive negative is negative and negative positive is also negative. We have to remember this. This is how you figure out the operation. So here I have a positive negative. That means I will subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. Once again, how do we choose the sign of this 4? Whether it will be a positive 4 or a negative 4. So rule number 2 says, look at the greater number. Is 1 greater or 5 greater? Absolutely, we all know 5 is greater. So 5 carries the negative sign. So this is negative 4a. Plus 4 minus 9 is again positive negative. Negative 9 minus 4 is 5. What is the sign of 9? Negative. Hence, my answer is minus 4a minus 5. Let's take a look at the last question here. 12r minus 8 minus 12 minus 4r. I will first bring the like terms together. 12r minus 4r. Sometimes kids also like to separate these terms and then solve and then bring them together. We can try that also. Minus 8 minus 12. 12r minus 4, absolutely we all know how to solve this. This is 8r, no doubt. Here we have two negatives. Negative negative is positive. 12 plus 8 is 20. What will be the sign of this 20? Absolutely a negative sign. Why? Because 12 is a greater number. It carries a negative sign. Hence, here we have negative 20. Now, what happens? What is my answer? Let's bring these terms together. 8r minus 20. This is how we add or subtract our like terms. This concept is not possible for unlike terms. I hope you understood this topic and thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.